So, if you recently just had a breakup, the science says catharsis is necessary. You need to talk about it. You need to write about it. If you don't have somebody who can talk to you, please make a video of your emotions. Please make an email. Just email to yourself about the feelings that you have, the pent up emotions that you're feeling, all the things that you could have said, that you could have done, or what you are feeling now. Because believe me, writing is a great outlay for your limbic brain. We talked about the limbic brain and we talked about the rational brain. Please go through those videos if you haven't, because it's important to understand the concept if you want to really come out of the whole breakup psychology, and if you want to feel good, or what you want to feel back to yourself, the control, all the good emotions that you want to have. So I want you to please do that exercise for me. So just write it out, and it can be the number of the pages. Just these are all the pages that I wrote it down to just feel good about me. I had a couple of colleagues to talk to. I had a few more people in my life to speak about it. But if you don't have any, also don't worry, because even letting out all on paper works to flush out the brain and then have again the re-release of the good chemicals that we just talked about. So do that and hang on. I tell you some more steps to come out of it happily. Believe me, you will be the same person again. Neuroscience says it, and I confirm it with my own experience. So hang tight and listen to the next video.